What's up, guys? Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Aduana Stars beats Kotoko 1-0 here at the Akospo Stadium. I think that is the first time they beat Kotoko away from home. Can't remember the last time, or is it the first time they're beating Kotoko away from home? We played all the ball. Razak Abalora was on vacation until the goal came in. To tell you how the game went, we had a lot of chances to create, but we were passing the ball, no penetration. Passing the ball, the fans were cheering, and the players got carried away. One defensive mistake, one goal for Aduana Stars. They deserve to win because they defended well. We didn't do enough up front. So I think they deserve to win. If I'm being honest, they deserve to win because they defended very well and they took the game to Kotoko. When it comes to defense, they defended very well and Kotoko had no answer for them up front. Fabio Gama, Kwame Boku, they tried to link up several times, but nothing. Kwame Boku tried to link up with Christopher Nete, nothing. So today's performance was awful. It was very, very bad. I'm very, very disappointed because we had the ball the whole time and we couldn't do anything with it. And they just had one chance and they scored a sweet goal. I think we need another striker up front with Kwame Boku because I think Naby Keita is finished. He should look for football elsewhere because I don't think with this kind of performance he's going to do anything for Kotoko. Personally, this was a very, very disappointing result. We needed just a win to climb the top of the table. Draw wasn't acceptable to us, but imagine the defeat. So I tell you what, the fans right here, they are disappointed. They were not happy with the officiating. They are not happy the way things went. They are not happy with the fact that we had possessions all the game and we still lost the game. So it's a very, very disappointing result, and I'm not happy with the way they played. Latifa Nabila, who again? Some other players had a very, very terrible game today. Christopher Nete played and he got tired. Like, they tried everything, play forward, we are not making the good ones up front, and it's something we have to fix if we want to win the league. So I think this defeat should be a lesson to Johnson Smith. This defeat should be a lesson to Johnson Smith. Tell the boys to stop passing the ball, go for the goal, penetrate, go for penetration, stop building. They played very well today when it comes to passing and controlling the game, but we need to penetrate more. That is what I think. We need to penetrate more. So that is my thoughts after the game. It was a very disappointing result. I would like to know your thoughts. Please put down in the comment section and tell me what you think about the game. Subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.